Are you guys excited for French toast?
I am.
I am so excited. My mom is here. She's in Indiana. She's gonna help me moderate. If you guys aren't familiar with the term QC, does anyone know what QC stands for? Quality control. So that means you're testing things to make sure they're good. So let's see. Crispy cereal is good. Have any of you made hummus before? Have any of you eaten hummus before? Oh, I see Ella has. No?
I've had regular hummus and chocolate hummus.
How many times do you think 1/4 to make 3/4 of a cup? Anyone hold up some fingers? 3, yep, 3. So you can either fill 1/4, 1/4 up 3 times, fill it up nice and flat and then into the bowl, or you can do 1/4 and 1/2, okay?
But,
Only if it's in a bag.
okay, that one, oh, that's the peanut butter and jelly. That one smells really nice.
That recipe is you can put like whatever kinds of fun, colorful things you want on there, and you could even maybe try a couple new things. Maybe you don't know if you like red bell peppers, but you try it because it's pretty.
Yeah, and also if you add like red bell peppers, if you don't like them, you never know if it goes well with something.
That's true. Sometimes you don't like something one way, but you like it another.
This has like a little squeezy, and it's got holes in the bottom, and that lets the juice come out, but it kind of keeps the seeds because it's smaller than most lemon seeds. It says it's satisfying. Yep, it's a good way to work your muscles. There's also, you could take a fork, stick a fork in here, and just kind of squeeze it around the fork. Little powdered sugar. See how it looks like a little snow on there? It was great to cook with you all, and I hope you have a great afternoon. And
Thank you.
thank you guys. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.